Hidden in a quiet cove on the northwestern coast of Malta, there's a tiny wooden village that looks like it sailed straight out of a cartoon. Welcome to Popeye Village. Originally built for the 1980 musical Popeye, starring Robin Williams, and now one of Malta's quirkiest and most beloved attractions. In this video, we'll explore the colorful streets of Sweethaven, peek inside the original movie sets, meet the characters, chill by the sea, and uncover everything you need to know before you visit. So grab your spinach and let's set sail. Adventure is just a few wooden steps away. Ahoy, sailor! Welcome to Malta's most colorful coastal escape, Popeye Village. As our camera swoops over Anchor Bay, the sweeping panoramic view reveals a charming cluster of timbered houses perched above the sea, each painted like it was plucked from a storybook. You're looking at the original Sweethaven film set, built in 1979 for the musical Popeye. Just a 40-minute drive from Valletta, this lively little cove has a personality all its own. Open year-round, the village adapts to the season. Summer is bustling with shows and water activities, while winter brings a calmer, scenic experience, often decked out with Christmas decorations. Most days it opens at 10 a.m., but always check their website for seasonal hours and ticketed events. Weekends tend to get lively, so weekdays offer a more relaxed visit. Ready to dive in? Once inside, prepare to feel like you've walked onto a movie set, because you have. The wooden planks creak with character as you wander from house to house. Each building was handcrafted for the film using wood shipped in from Holland and Canada to match the exaggerated cartoon aesthetic of E.C. Segar's original comic strip. Inside Popeye's house, discover a kitchen filled with old tins of spinach, creaky floorboards, and Popeye's beloved pipe sitting on the counter. Olive Oil's place is pure nostalgia, full of vintage costumes and oddball decor. There's a comic museum, photo ops galore, and themed exhibits to keep every room feeling alive. Little touches, like mirrors that stretch your reflection or quirky wall signs, make it great fun for kids and adults alike. This isn't a passive walkthrough. It's interactive, playful, and full of tiny surprises. Don't rush it. Every door invites you to step inside a slice of cinematic history, with each room preserving the look and feel of the 1980s musical world. After the cultural journey through the village's charming nooks and crannies, it's time to relax Popeye style. Just steps away from the village lies the tranquil Anchor Bay, a perfect spot for basking in the sun or splashing in the crystal clear waters. Lounge on a comfortable sun deck as you soak in the warm Maltese rays or dive into a variety of water sports. Whether you choose a gentle paddle on a boat or an energetic water obstacle course, this seaside retreat offers a balance of relaxation and adventure. The soothing sounds of the sea complement the playful ambiance, making it an ideal spot for families, couples, and solo travelers alike. Let's rewind to 1980. The musical Popeye was a Hollywood gamble, starring a young Robin Williams in his first feature film. The entire village was built for this one production, which took months of planning and construction. Winds, tides, and a remote location made filming tough. But the crew persevered. Though critics were split, the film gained cult status over time, and the set was left behind, forgotten for years, until Malta brought it back to life as an attraction. Today, fans come to relive movie moments, spot stills from the film in recreated scenes, and even watch short clips at the on-site cinema. Popeye Village is now a rare case of a film set that aged into a theme park rather than a ruin. Feeling peckish? Grab a bite at the Seaside cafe or snack stands offering everything from light sandwiches to refreshing drinks and, of course, spinach-inspired treats. If you're traveling with little ones, there's a soft play area near the snack zone to keep them entertained while you sip. There are multiple souvenir shops tucked into the village, some with classic Popeye memorabilia, others with hand-painted crafts and Maltese goodies. And then there's the cast. Popeye himself may greet you with a wink and a wave. Olive Oil sings in live shows. and Brutus occasionally sneaks about, causing comic mischief. In the warmer months, daily life performances bring the central square to life. Expect slapstick sketches, song and dance numbers, and photo ops with the characters, all delivered with tongue-in-cheek humor and Maltese warmth. Tickets can be booked online or at the entrance. Entry includes access to most facilities, the cinema, shows, and use of the sun decks. In summer, packages often include mini-golf or even short boat rides across Anchor Bay. Keep an eye out for combo passes if you're visiting other Maltese attractions too. For drivers, there's a large free parking area just outside. It's a short walk down a scenic path to the entrance. If you're arriving by bus, check for the Melliha routes. It's a popular area for beachgoers and families. Before or after your visit, make time to stop at nearby Gadira Bay for a swim or hike up to the cliffs for panoramic views of the bay and the village below. Popeye Village also runs seasonal festivals. Think Halloween spook fests, Easter egg hunts, and a truly magical Christmas village with elves, lights, and Santa himself making special appearances. Here's how to level up your Popeye Village day. Visit early in the morning for the best lighting and fewer crowds, especially if you're filming or photographing. Don't miss the walk up the hill near the parking lot. It offers the most stunning aerial shots of the village with the sea as your backdrop. Check the chalkboard near the main square for a live show schedule. The interactive puppet show and Popeye vs. Brutus skit are fan favorites. And here's a secret. If you're celebrating a birthday or special occasion, let staff know. They might just throw in a little surprise for you or your kids. And so, our salty tale comes to an end. Popeye Village may have started as a Hollywood experiment, but it's now one of Malta's most charming, offbeat attractions. Part theme park, part film set, part seaside escape. Whether you came for nostalgia, sunshine, or spinach, it leaves you smiling. This place doesn't try to be flashy. It's whimsical, relaxed, and proud of its quirks. And sometimes, that's exactly what you need. So next time you're sailing through Malta, don't forget to stop by Sweethaven. Popeye, Olive, and even Brutus will be waiting. But our journey doesn't end here. We'd love to hear from you. Which stop was your favorite? Is there a particular moment that stood out to you? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're planning your own visit, we hope this guide has inspired you and made your trip easier to plan. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures.